Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to give you one tip that will make you rich. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we get started, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification bell right beside it because that will notify you every time I put a video out, which is every single day, and you do not want to miss out because I'm giving out as much value as possible, so you don't want to miss out on that. So what is the one tip that will make you rich? You see, everyone has a story. Everyone in the world, no matter where you go, if you walk to a place, if you drive to a place, everyone in their cars, everyone walking by, every single person has a story. All these people have problems. And most people want to create wealth or would like to. Think about it. How many people actually play the lottery? Because people want more money. That's just a fact. But most people play the lottery. That was my phone. Most people play the lottery because they want more money. But most people don't do anything else to make some money because they don't usually know where to start, and when they do know, it kind of gets hard. And I made a whole video of why people don't actually create wealth, but mostly it's because people either don't understand that it's possible. Second one is they're not willing to put in the work, and there are some other reasons. I don't even remember all the reasons that I put in the video, but if you're interested in that, you could watch that video as well. It's on my channel somewhere. So creating wealth in your life can create opportunities that you would never have had otherwise. And I don't need to paint the picture for you. You know what I'm talking about. You can, travel, buy cars, buy houses, buy mega yachts if you're interested in that kind of stuff. You can do a lot of things, and mostly experiences, traveling the world. It can be life-changing, but if you don't have that money, you can't do that sort of thing. So what you can do to actually start creating wealth rather than just, surviving is a whole mental shift. That is the biggest thing. It's in here, in your head. That is the biggest thing that you have to change. Because, most of us weren't born in a rich family or, in a family where people were actually making quite a bit of money. Most of us weren't. But this is the reason why you have to have a mental shift, is because you're born in a family where you just have to, live like a normal person, I guess. But the people who actually make quite a bit of money have that mental shift where they start to think about how to actually make some money. And this is what you have to ask yourself. Ask yourself how you can start to create wealth. And like, I've got a ton of videos. I'm going to get into that a little bit later in this video, but you have to ask yourself how to create some wealth. Also, a lot of people live in the past. We all make bad decisions, and a lot of people think about, what if I would have done this, if I would have done this different, if this would happen like differently, I should have made this choice. But that's done, that's over, that's in the past. You can't make a difference now. What you can do is ask yourself where you want to go and start taking some steps towards that. Because when you make decisions from like day to day, a lot of the time I don't want to film those videos, and once I actually start filming them, I actually enjoy this. Like, I enjoy sharing everything that I know, putting it out on this channel. But when I get up in the morning, it's not something that I want to do. But once I get doing it, it feels good. So that's one thing that you have to understand, is that you have to see where you want to go and make some decisions based on that. Because I could easily like just hang around my house and not do much. But that wouldn't lead me anywhere. You know, in the moment it would feel good because, you know, I want to rest, I feel tired, no matter what it would be. But instead, I make this decision because I know where I want to take this channel. I want to take this channel to the next level. I want to make videos every single day. You know, I want to improve myself. So that's one of the key things that you have to understand is don't just take decisions on based on what you want to do today. Base your decisions on where you want to go in the next 10 years, for example, or at least 5, but 10 years is kind of a good like range of where you want to go. However, if you're happy with your life where you are right now, then awesome, you know, don't change anything. There are a ton of people that make little money and are very happy, you know. Like, money is not going to make you happier. There are so many people that are like rich and famous and no matter what, and they commit suicide, or, you know, money is not going to make you happy. No matter what you believe, this is not going to happen. However, if this is one of the stresses in your life, if, you know, you want to make more, then by all means you have to do this. Like, this channel is about making money online. But if you want to change some other aspects and like you make enough money that, you know, you're right with it, then there's no point in like making a big change. But there might be some other things that you do want to change. So if you're happy right now, awesome. If you're not, you have to be ready to change, because what brought you here in the first place, no matter where you are, is based on the decisions that you made in the past. And if you make some new decisions and change the way that you do things, then that will bring you closer to where you want to go. So you really have to shift the way you think. What you do to actually create some money is to look for people's problems and solve them. Like, I made this video, I filmed it right before this one, so it will probably be yesterday's video when you're watching this. But this is one of the key things that will help you, is to solve people's problems and solve people's problems better. So you just have to look for problems, basically, that's your job, and then just start solving them. Like, I'm helping you make money online because most people do not know how to make money online, and I just help people do that. So again, if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because that's what this channel is about. And this was kind of a weird into this video, but most of my videos aren't that weird. So if you're interested in that, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I always enjoy your comments and look forward to seeing them, and I always reply to all of them. So make sure that you leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.